Welcome to a video from thedigitalifestyle.com. In this video I'm going to show you how you can be more productive with Windows 10 by using the Windows Cloud Clipboard or the new Windows Clipboard. This enables you to sync clipboards across devices, so rather than having one bit of text or image in your clipboard, you can have multiple things in here. So let me show you what I mean. So normally you're in Windows and you've got, let's put some text in there. I select some text, I can do Control C to copy, or I can go edit and copy like that, and that's in the clipboard now. Now if I go to another word and then of course if I want to paste that word, I can do Control V and that pastes the word. That's fine. But what if I'm perhaps filling forms in, copying data between multiple forms, and I grab that bit of text and maybe this bit of text, and I want to paste those over. So if I do Control V now, it does it. It's because that was the last thing I did. But using the Windows key and V, you've got all the history. So you can see I've got this is the test. So I should have put an A in there, I guess. So what I can do is here I can go Control V, I can do this, I can do Control V is, I can put the A in there, and then Control V, Windows V I should say, and test. And there you go. So especially handy when you've got, say, two Excel sheets and you're copying data between the two Excel sheets, rather than, or pictures, or anything really, anything that goes in the clipboard. I'll test a picture as well in a second. But anything that goes in the clipboard, it's being remembered all the time with this Windows key and V. Now you notice here I've got the red insiders. This has actually come from a different device, so I'm signed in with the clipboard also on another device, and that's copied over as well. So that way that all the copying and pasting, or the copying certainly, is synced up in the cloud, and then I can paste that, and then you can see that I've got it from another device. You can delete these, you can pin these. So if this is something you paste in a lot, then I can pin that and it stays on my history. And so how do you enable the clipboard history? Well, into settings, you can just search for clipboard, what I've found here, and you can see here's the clipboard. And so what I've done there is I've turned that on with so it's launched by Windows V. I've also set it to sync across devices. I've also got some syncing going on with my phone, but that's using the Your Phone app, and I've got a separate video on that. I've also set it to sync to all tests that I've copied, or you can have never if you want, and you've got the option of clearing it there. So if you turn on the clipboard history, maybe you don't want to sync it across devices. It could be that maybe you've got a business or work device and you've got a personal, and you don't want your work and your personal being synced together. Then you can just choose not to sync that, or have that synced across your devices like that, and that won't sync across now. And now it does. So it's really simple. You just search for clipboard, enable that, and as you can see, when I do Windows key and V now, I can see my history, and say it works with images as well. Let's just check that out. So I've added some images as well to the clipboard. So I've got all the text in there. I've got that, and that's synced across multiple devices now. So I could get that image on another device because I'm signed in on there. And of course pasting it is just, let's have a look at that. To Windows V, I can drop those images in, and Windows V, and drop the text in. Right back to the first bit I had, the insiders bit, which is from a different device. So that's it, as simple as that. You can enable it through here. Don't ever use the Control V to do the pasting. Use Windows V, and that way you don't lose your clipboard history. It's been in Windows 10 for a while, so you should already have that. Make sure you've got the latest build, or just go for Windows Update and check you've got the latest version installed if you haven't got it. And that's it. So how to be a power user in Windows 10, use the Cloud Sync Clipboard.